Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, class. How are you today? How are you today?
I'm good. And you?
Oh, I'm very well, thank you. Okay, so before we start our lesson today, I will check your attendance first. Alpha, present. Bukita,
Present.
Tina, Naila, present. Surya, Faisal, Wildan. Okay, seems like you're here today, all of you. And before we start our lesson, let's recite Basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, attention class. Today I bring something special.
Wow.
Can you guess what is this? Yes, Faisal's flag. Attention. Today you are not a student, but you will be a secret again. Okay. But before we start our mission, I will ask you some questions. Have you ever helped a friend to solve a problem, prevent a problem before?
Yes.
What kind of problem do teenagers have and usually face? Left from school, and then maybe playing games. So much.
Yes.
What would you do if your friend had such a problems? Give the solution. Give advice. Okay, that's right. That's good. And today we will learn how to give advice in English. Very interesting, right?
Yes.
By the end of the lesson, today, you will become a secret agent who investigate a case and gives situations or solutions to help someone with their problem. So, let's start our mission. But before starting the mission, every agent needs a training first. I will give you the example of giving advice. So, what is giving advice? What is advice? Advice is an appearance that used to give suggest recommendation or solution to someone that faces problem. For example, like your friend going to school lately, and then you will give him advice to come early. And let's learn some useful expression or giving advice. First one. First expression to give someone advice is should. Everyone give it after me. Should. Okay, for example, you should come earlier. And then the second one. Okay, everyone read again. Should.
Should.
Should not.
Should not.
Why don't you?
Why don't you?
If I were you, I would blah blah blah.
If I were you, I would blah blah blah.
Okay, and then the last one is I suggest that blah blah blah.
I suggest that blah blah blah.
For all the example, you should come earlier. You should not eat junk food. Why don't you try more harder? And if I were you, I would uh, I would study hard. I suggest that you should spend less time with your gaming stuff. Okay, and it's time for our first mission. I will divide you into three groups. Okay, I will give you this mission. You can open it, read the card carefully, discuss with your friend. Okay, I will go to give you this. You can read the tables you find right here. And I will give you around 7 minutes to do the task. Is it enough?
Yeah.
Okay, you may start right now. Have you finished, guys? Okay, for your surprise discussion, I'll give you a bonus card, and then you must maybe discuss a little more to change your first discussion. you 3 more minutes. Okay guys, time is up. Now I will ask you to read the case description together. You already have your own again paper, right?
Yes.
Find the case description and we will read it together. Okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Arthur is an 11th grade student. He has several important exams next month. But recently, his academic performance is getting worse. Come on guys, read it together. Arthur spends 6 hours until 7 hours every day playing online games.
He often plays some activity class. He hardly studies and feels unhappy. His parents are worried and want him to change. But he does stress and does not know what to do.
Now let's read the bonus card that I already given for you.
Arthur
Is stressed.
he is afraid of disappointing his parents and failing his exams.
Now, because you have read the case description, you must know what is Arga's main problem and what possible causes of the problem, and then you may join the advice to give to Arga and to help him, right? And then I want you to read the main problem, read the causes of the problem, and then your advice to help him in front of the class. Maybe starting from group 1, we can come in front of the class. And I will ask you. Okay, so you can introduce yourself.
Okay, my name is Fatima Talisa and I'm from Group 1.
Okay, so Fatima, what is Arthur's main problem?
He is addicted to online games, he spends too much time playing games, sleeps late, and doesn't study enough for his school.
What is the possible causes of the problem?
That's one. Ada spends about 6 hours every day playing games. Then class 2, Ada feels stressed about his exam. And then class 3, Ada scrolls social media.
So what your best advice to help him?
You should reduce your gaming time and study more. Then one, this one.
Yeah, this one. Usually. Okay, thank you. Give applause to Alpha. Okay. Group 2, are you ready to listen to your
Yes.
Okay, you can come in from consequence. So, okay.
So, the problem is he is addicted to online games. He spends too much time playing games, fully play, and doesn't not study enough for his examination. And the first cause, Arga spend about 6 hours every day playing games. Cause 2, Arga feels stressed about his exam. And cause 3, Arga often scroll social media at night.
Okay, so what's the advice you give to the student?
Arga should uh, reduce their gaming time and study more. And why do you need to study schedule and follow it every day? Then, if you're you, I will sleep earlier.
Okay, thank you Naila. Give applause to Naila. Okay, the last group from group 3. Okay, so based on your discussion, what is Arga's main problem?
He's addicted to online games. He spends too much time playing games, sleeps late, and does not study enough for his examination.
What's your advice?
Uh, he should reduce his gaming time and study more, and make a study schedule and follow it every day. And if I were other, I would stick to it.
Okay, thank you. Give applause to Faisal. Okay, you guys already done your discussion, and I think it's time to our reflection for today's lesson. So, what expression can you use to give advice? The first one, show. Second one, and then third one,
Why don't you?
the fourth one,
I would.
and then the last one.
I suggest that.
Okay, so from this advice, which advice is more relatable to you? Maybe, uh, sorry. Uh, so, based on the Argus problem, which one is more relatable to you? Maybe the playing games, or probably playing games, or spend 6 until 7 hours every day. Okay. And what is easy, guys? What is easy or difficult to find a solution?
Easy.
Easy. Sebelum saya.
Okay. Was it easy or difficult to find a solution for your friend's problem?
Easy,
Yeah.
but little difficult.
Yeah, because
Because we show dedication, problem first.
okay, that's good, Naila. Okay, guys, because Thanks our child. I hope you can use this expression when helping your friends or family members in real life. And maybe that's all for today's lesson. Let's close our lesson by reciting Hamdani together. Alhamdulillahirobbilalamin. Thank you for your nice attention and let's see next